Is your Chime card a real debit card? I mean, you use it like one, right? You swipe it, tap it, maybe even use it for those contactless payments. But is it really a debit card? Good question. Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what a debit card typically is. A debit card is linked to your checking account. When you use it, the money comes directly out of your account. It's like using your cash, but plastic. Simple, right? So, what about Chime? Well, Chime isn't a traditional bank. It's a financial technology company, often referred to as a fintech. They offer financial services, including a spending card. But is it a debit card? Let's break it down. Chime Spending Card is linked to your Chime spending account. This account is a cash management account, not a traditional checking account. But here's the kicker, you can use your Chime card just like a debit card. You can swipe, tap, or use it for online purchases. The money comes directly from your Chime spending account, which is pretty similar to a checking account. So, technically, it's not a traditional debit card because it's linked to a cash management account, not a checking account. But functionally, it acts like one. It's like the cousin of a debit card, same family, different name. But there's more to it than that. Chime's card comes with some perks that traditional debit cards might not offer. For instance, you might get early direct deposit, fee-free overdrafts, and other benefits. These features can make it feel even more like a debit card, if not better. Now, you might be wondering about things like overdrafts. With a traditional debit card, if you spend more than you have, your bank might charge you an overdraft fee. But Chime works a bit differently. They offer a Spot Me feature, which allows you to overdraw your account by a small amount. There's no overdraft fee, but it's not technically an overdraft. It's more like a small loan. So, while Chime's card might not fit the exact definition of a debit card, it certainly acts like one in most ways. It's a digital financial tool that lets you spend your money conveniently. But here's the bottom line, whether you call it a debit card or a spending card, it's a useful tool for managing your money. And that's what really matters, right? Now, let's talk about some common questions. Is Chime safe? What are the fees? How do I get a Chime card? Remember, while Chime offers many benefits, it's important to understand how it works and if it's the right fit for you. Always do your research and compare options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.